YouTube, it's SJ and I'm back with another sneaker unboxing. This time it's not a Nike box. It isn't, people. It is, look at this camera number 2 because this box is nice. It is the Keith Haring Adidas Stan Smith all the way from the US of A, because these weren't released in the UK. Let's take a look. In fact, I'm saying let's take a look. The box is so nice. We've got to have a proper look at it, Mr. B on a sneaker cam. Okay, so this has the very obvious artwork of the man himself, and you also have the Adidas and Keith Haring in this really nice orange embossed. They've really gone to town on these, and also it's on the side if you're picking that up on sneaker cam. Super nice. So these are, people, they are the Stan Smith Keith Haring, and they are white orange. They are US 7, which is actually UK 6.5. I always go up half a size in Stan Smiths. They're a European 40, and the code, I'm never sure which one is actually the code because there's lots on here. I think it is EE9295, although I suspect you Adidas fans will tell me that I'm wrong. But let's get to it. Now, I bought my first pair of Stan Smiths for like 8 years back in October, and I wore them pretty much the whole time I was in LA last month. I kind of got a new love for Stan Smiths, and when these dropped, oh my word, these are epic. I had to have them. Nothing special on the tissue paper, just Adidas, but epic box, epic box. I'm just going to leave that there because it looks so nice. But these are super nice. Now, Mr. B had these delivered to his work, so he picked them up when he was over in the US of A this week. So I've had to wait a couple of weeks for these. Oh my word, they are nice. Yep, the leather on these is pretty nice. Mr. B, are you getting this on sneaker cam? Super nice leather. Then you have embroidered, people, embroidered, not printed. The very, very obvious Keith Haring man thingy. I don't know if it has an official name. Probably does, that I don't know. Yeah, just really nice. Orange on the back, and it says Stan Smith. Now you also have on the tongue, now like on my Adidas Stan Smiths, my Stella McCartney's, they've had Stan Smith's face on one, and they had Stella McCartney on the other. On this, they've just gone all out and have got Keith Haring's face and his signature. That's pretty cool. This is a nice touch. Now these were actually released for Pride Month. There was a whole, well, I say there was a whole collection. There were 3 different sneakers. There was a Rivalry, the Stan Smith, and I can't remember the other one. And there were also some t-shirts as well. But as I said, they just weren't released in the UK for whatever reason. They were released right at the end of Pride Month as well. I think it was actually on the 29th or the 30th of June. Really, really nice drop. Had to get these. Now on the inside, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it, Mr. B. I am not taking this out. But, actually, okay. It's not stitched in. The insole isn't stitched in very well, which is a little bit weird because I've never seen that on a Stan Smith. Sorry guys, I'm just doing a proper look. Okay, so I've just pushed it down, but it was a little bit up, which is a little bit odd. But I'm actually going to go to you first, camera 2, before I go to sneaker cam. So I think the light, yeah, there you go. No, you can see that. Look at that epic print on the inside there. Focus, focus, focus. And that goes all the way in. That is pretty epic. Mr. B on sneaker cam, I'm going to bring this to you. Tap, 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 as you would say to me. Oh, just super nice. Super nice pickup. I am so pleased that I got these. These are going to be, well, actually, I don't really want to wear these to death because they're too nice. They are way too nice. And no one else is going to have them over here. Oh, I'm super pleased I got these. Thank you so much, Gerald, one of our community members who joined us on a Sunday night stream. And I actually bought these live on stream because they'd sold out on Adidas USA in my size, and he told me where to get them. So thank you so much, because I am really, really pleased that I've actually got these, because they are an epic sneaker. What do we think of these, Mr. B? I know you're not a massive Oh, they're getting a thumbs up. They're getting a thumbs up. Stan Smiths aren't really for you though, are they? No, you don't get on with them at all. They are nice. Too nice to wear, but they're going to get worn. They're going to get worn. They're going to wear really well. That leather's going to wear well. I know it is. Anyway, guys, I know a couple of you in the chat on the Sunday stream said that you were going to pick a pair of these up, or you were going to pick the Rivalry pair up. I think it was a Rivalry from this pack. If you have picked something up from the Adidas Keith Haring range, let me know in the old comments below. And if you've got a picture of them, don't forget to hashtag it pint of stuff on the old Instagram so that we can have a look at them, because we like to see how you're wearing your sneakers, what you're wearing your with, etc, etc. And if you like this video, give it the old thumbs up, drop a comment below, as I've said. If you didn't know, we stream on Sundays where we talk about these and where I buy sneakers live on stream sometimes. Come along and join us. It's at 8 p.m. here in the UK, which is about 3 p.m. on the East Coast and about 12 p.m. on the West Coast, and about 5 a.m. Monday morning if you're in Tokyo or somewhere in that region. I'm not very good on time zones. But come along and join us because it's always fun. I'm going to try these on. I'm sure they'll fit. They're exactly the same size as my other Stan Smiths, which I've been loving wearing this summer. Really loving wearing them. And yeah, I'm over and out because there's not much more to say. Epic sneakers, epic sneakers. Thanks, Gerald, again. Can't thank you enough. Thank you. Over and out. Pint of stuff. Bye.
Yeah, they're alright, aren't they?
They're not bad. I quite like these. I quite like these a lot. Super nice.
Yeah, you know. Ooh, and the dog's getting excited.
Huxley, we haven't done a Huxley test about Huxley. Do you like these?
I think that might be a yes.
I think it might be a yes. No, Huxley, no, that's all your colouring. Look. What do we think? Yeah? I think that was a yes. Huxley likes them.
I think so.
Right, I'm going to put these away in their lovely box.
Yeah, do that.
Bye!
Bye!